Hey Diva Dolls, what's up? This is your girl Crystal Chanel, and today it is all about the gifts. So today's gift guide, I'm really focusing on gifts for her, and as we know, the holidays are quickly approaching, so I found some really cute items that she is definitely gonna love, and also for the low. If you want to see what made my first holiday gift list video, stay tuned. Okay, dolls, so we are just going to jump right in it. Today I am sharing some very interesting items because I am here to make sure you are going to look good and you're going to feel good. All in that order. Sharing a new brand for my channel. I did partner with INVOLAND, and y'all, I have been obsessed with Amazon purchases and Amazon finds lately. If you follow me on my TikTok at Chrissy the Doll, you already know that. But I wanted to come and show you guys some of my more conservative and sophisticated, still feminine and flirty pieces. So being that I'm now married and I'm around my bonus parents and everything like that, I can't always be sexy. Sometimes I want to feel comfortable and confident, and honestly all my clothes, I either don't have a whole shirt or it's something tight or sometimes revealing. Now that's just my style, y'all know that, but I still want to be respectful, you know. So if you guys are looking for some quality items that are plus size curvy girl friendly, you can even use this, like I said, as a gift guide for someone more sophisticated and older in your life. But I wanted to show you guys the pics that I have because these are staples now in my closet, and yeah, let's just get to it.
First up is this top. I think it's really cute to just wear with some leggings or some jeans. I love the fact that you can tie it at your waist. So it's not a crop top, but we're still serving body. We are still showing you can be cute and covered. And I love the material. It's like a waffle material, really lightweight. Remember, this brand is plus size curvy girl friendly, so a lot of these items will be plus size. This is a size 16, which is the smallest that I saw this brand offered, and this bodysuit did fit a little bit looser than I'm used to, but it's so soft and so stretchy. I love that I can snap it between my legs and it doesn't pop up. So this bodysuit comes in lots of colors. I decided to pair this black one with this skirt. As you can see, the skirt has a stretchy band, so it was really comfortable when I put it on, and it was really forgiving. I love that it covers my booty, and I love that it's still a flirty look. These buttons are buttons that you can unbutton on the top or the bottom if you wanted to show a little bit more leg or just making it easier to get into the skirt. Now this jacket, oh my gosh, the material is so soft and stretchy. I just had to show you how it bounced. I love this. I can throw it on when I'm running errands. I can wear it when I go to the gym. It's a really soft material. It has the cute thumb holes, so I absolutely love this. It has a hoodie. My cell phone can even fit in this pocket, y'all. Like, I have the big phone. It's like a Max, so I love that it fits. And yeah, I totally love this brand for their gear when it comes to activewear. This sweater I grabbed, and I love that it's so soft. Like, oh my God, it's so cozy. I grabbed this in a size 16, and as you can see, it covers your booty if you wanted to wear it with some leggings or some biker shorts. I love that you can just throw this on and go. Now this is another item. This is actually a robe, but you can actually wear it as a duster. I got this in a size 2X because I wanted it really comfortable, and it has like a nice stretch to it. I love that there's pockets, and again, I'm going to be wearing it as a robe. You can wear it as a duster. There's plenty of colors to choose from, and the material is really comfortable. Now this item I wanted to try because it says it's one size fits all. It's basically a poncho, but it's the winter time. This is an easy way to layer. I can really see myself rocking this with a belt or maybe just a hat and some boots, but it's really cute and really warm, and it fits. It's the one size. Now this item I got oversized because I really wanted it to fit me in a loose flowy feel. I love the material that it's lightweight and it's sheer. I got this in a size 20. A shirt like this, you can really play with. You can tuck it in, you can tie it up, you can just wear it open, you can wear it around your waist. Girl, I'm about to show you guys 2 more shirts because I am really into layering and just being really comfortable and having easy styles. So this one I got in a size 18, so it's a little bit more snug, but as you can see again, it's long enough to cover your booty. I love that you can wear it rolled up or just all the way down with your sleeves. And again, it's a classic look, especially for the holidays, being that it's flannel. And last but not least, I have this top. It's somewhat more of a structured top. It's still comfortable. I got this one, I believe, in a size 16. Oh, okay, size 18. And this one I liked because I think I'm going to cut this in a crop top. Even if I don't cut it in a crop top, I can tuck it in some pants.
So last, I am covering a new brand for my channel. I partnered with YOUVIC, and basically what that is, it's a manufacturer that specializes in sexual wellness. Yes, girl, you heard right, sexual wellness. I already talked about how to look good and smell good, so now we're gonna talk about how to feel good. Again, this is gonna be a gift for someone older. It's gonna be a gift for someone you're comfortable with, obviously, and someone who has a sense of humor, but there's nothing funny about being open and being in tune with yourself. And y'all, I'm gonna show y'all something, and I got a 40% off discount code for you. So let's get into it. It came first of all in just a regular manila envelope that was padded. Nothing crazy. It just had my name and like just the address of some place. I really didn't know what it was until I opened it. So this is the box. The box did come a little beat up. I do believe it comes from overseas. Some scissors so I can pop this open. I'll be right back. Okay, got it open. So let's do it. So far, so cute. How about we go small, medium, then large? First thing we have is this charger. It looks like it's just the adapter, and then the end doesn't have like an actual plug. Look, it looks like a beauty blender. Very discreet. I love that already. You can't tell if this were to fall out your bag on accident, you wouldn't know what this is. Right here is made of this really nice feeling silicone. There's a button right here, and this is made for your clitoris. Okay, we're gonna use big girl words because there's nothing wrong to know your female body, but yeah, girl, you turn this on. Can y'all hear that? It's not too bad, but do you see this? I don't know if y'all can really get this on camera. Oh yeah, you can. Do you see how it's shaking? I got an idea. Do y'all see that? That's the first press of the button. Ooh, that's the ooh. It's called the water drop, by the way, and I just went ahead and got a container of water and see the different levels. Do y'all see that? This thing is powerful. I'm going to do it next level. Basically, that's faster. I'm going to do it again. This one is on a pattern. The time you can have with this, okay? So the way that it's shaped only reminds me of like a human tongue. This is given. You need to hide this from yourself after a while, but now this next one is a medium-sized one, and it looks like this is the comma. First of all, this is really pretty. So this right here is like a rose gold. It's all about aesthetics, honey, no matter the situation. And then it has like this kind of rounded top. So this can be like a body massager, or it can be a pleasure stick. It just depends on, you know, how you want to go. Also that nice kind of like silicone button that has waves on it. So I don't know what that's about. Let's give it a go. Oh shit. Girl, that is powerful. This is a little slower. That one's faster. Oh, it goes really fast and then goes, it stops and then goes again. These are pulses. Ooh, and then a long one. And there's lots of different levels. It's like a machine gun. This is gonna be a good time. I'm gonna just tell you that right now. This is gonna be a good time. I don't even know how many levels I'm on. Let me just turn it off. If you got a homegirl that keeps going back to somebody, you know, good and well, they can do better. Get her this bundle, y'all. Get her something so every time she's thinking about doing something with the old person she don't need to be with, she can take care of herself, get back in the mindset she needs to be, and be the boss that she is, okay? This is a gift for your homegirls. These are perfect gifts for like a bachelorette party. I'm telling y'all, like, don't be sleeping on the wellness of your sexual self, okay? We need sexual health just as much as we need everything else. So I have one more toy I'm gonna share with you guys. I knew it. Y'all, I knew it. Now, you might love me or you might hate me if you were to get this toy, because I have experience with this and it'll change your life. It's called the July, which, I'm a July baby, go figure, but this one is going to be my favorite. I already know. And the way it is described, it is a clit stimulator with a G-spot vibrator, and it mimics the flutter of your tongue and a suction of a mouth at the same damn time. Oh, it does. Okay, you see that circle? I put it on my hand, and then it grabs. It's grabbing like it's a suction cup. So imagine it's being placed strategically somewhere on your body, on your clitoris. I'm gonna turn it up. You hear how it clamps? It's vibrating too. Y'all, this is insane, okay? I don't even know what's about to happen. I'm about to get everything off my Christmas list. The other button controls the other end, which is a vibrator. If I had to give a suggestion on what to get from their website, I would say start with this. It's definitely gonna be a bang for your buck. You get 2 sides of pleasure, 2 sides of fun. You have different speeds and variations for either side, and you can get the bundle. That way you guys can save money. So 50% off code, 40% off codes. I will put them down below, but let me know, what did you think about this brand? Because so far I'm feeling it. Okay, dolls, so that is it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I have a couple more of these in the series. I am taking it on as being your guide for finding the perfect gifts for your loved ones. I will put the links to everything I picked up, as well as the sizes I got them in, my personal measurements, any discount codes, all of that good stuff, right down below. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel so you don't miss a video. Share this video with a friend. I know someone else can benefit. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My name is @ChrissieTheDoll_official. And then also find me on TikTok. That way you guys can see some more details of these items. So excited to be making these videos for you. I have more guides coming up very soon, so stay tuned for that. That's really it. I want to thank y'all always so much for your love and support. And as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.